Your path is not always easy. No one said there would not be struggles. Sometimes, you have to experience challenges to become your best. Just because your path feels lonely doesn't mean your path is wrong. To all the women listening, you are not alone. Let your path, no matter how challenging it may be, lead you home to us. We are women in technology. We are wit, and wit is strength. Wit is inclusive. Wit is empowering. We're celebrating 30 years of helping women find the voices they deserve. Understanding the struggles of and supporting the lives of working moms. Mentoring young women. And infinitely more. We are proud to have grown to over 200,000 supporters worldwide. But we're just getting started. There's work to do to prepare the path for the next generation of women. We can't do this alone. Join the WIT movement. Donate so that we together will continue to empower women for another 30+ years.